Hey guys, in this video I want to go over a super powerful Monday reversal strategy. This is going to walk you through exactly how to trade on Mondays for the S&P 500 step by step that has been back tested. Let me show you the exact rules for this strategy. This comes from the Ultimate List of SPY Trading Strategies, which is a free PDF that I put together. I scoured the internet for the best SPY strategies that have been back tested and proven to work, and I put them all in this free PDF that you can get down below. And again, we're going over, let's see, where is it? The Monday reversal strategy number 15. If I skip to there on the list, you can see here that the strategy was found on quantifiedstrategies.com if you want to go there and learn more about it. But again, it's a simple strategy based on the idea that the market is bullish overall and bounces need to happen. You can see why it's a super powerful strategy, because if you look at the back test since basically 80s, you can see here until 2020 it's performed super well. And so again, the strategy may not present itself every day or every week, but when it does, it's going to set you up to have a very high win rate and grow your account in the long run. So again, if you like math, you like rules, you like proven step-by-step strategies, make sure you download this guide down below. Anyways, to look at the rules for this strategy, we're going to set our daily time or our time frame to daily, which means we're going to go to SPY. We're going to make sure that our candles represent one day, so that each candle represents one trading day. Next, we're going to buy the close on Monday when the 25-day average is at least lower than 25 cents. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that we're going to take the high minus the low over the last 25 days and see if it's at least lower than 25. So again, if you can see here, we're going to take the last 25 days. So today is Monday, so that's what this should be. So let's again take again it'll be the low from this one, but let's take a look at this range. I believe this wants us to do the high minus the low to get roughly close to our average, but again, it really just depends on that. So let's actually go to quantifiedstrategies.com and look at the Monday reversal strategy. So if I go here just to show you that it's real, if I go Monday reversal strategy and then I do quantified strategies, you can see here exactly where this comes from. No, don't allow for today. Come in here to the S&P 500 and NASDAQ is what it works best. Again, this is all copied exactly. See, you want to do the high minus the low to get your 25-day average. I just wanted to make sure that that point was there and I'm doing it correctly. So you can see over the last 25 days, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, yeah, I can count. Okay, so we have a low of, the close low is 411, and then we have a close high of 442. So 442 minus 411. Again, we have a whole 31 number. So again, we want it to be around 0.25. And so again, it wasn't there. So since it wasn't there and it's Monday, this setup is invalid. Now again, why is it looking for that? Well, because the market long-term tends to be bullish. And so if the market's staying relatively flat, then we should expect it to start to head up quite soon. Again, the market's already moving a lot, so it's hard to get into that 0.25 range. But again, what it's saying is if it's at least lower than 0.25, from Friday, then again, that's what you're looking for. So that's kind of what it is. The 25-day average, at least lower than 0.25 from Friday. So again, I should have started counting here, so it would have been back to around here. Anyways, whatever. So the fact that it's not set up, which means this Friday would not be a setup. But again, this is just a strategy to put in your toolbox and in your toolkit, which means that when you see this set up, you go, oh, I know what this is. This is a Monday reversal strategy. I know it works long term. It doesn't happen every single day or every single week, but when it does, you can know about it and be aware and take advantage of it. Now again, let's say you're in this trade. How do you exit? You exit at the close on Friday or when the close is higher than yesterday's high. So you have either a stop loss or a time or I should say a take profit, which is where the close is higher than yesterday's high, or you have a time stop, which is by the end of the week. Again, if it's still in the trade, then you're going to exit on Friday. So again, this is the Monday reversal strategy. It's a very powerful strategy. It does not present itself every week, but when it does, you want to make sure you are aware of it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please smash that thumbs up button and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.